Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HubSpot CRM pipeline stages match your sales process, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard from the main menu. Locate the pipelines option under the deals section. Click on pipelines to view your current sales pipelines. Identify the pipeline you want to verify against your sales process. Select the pipeline to open its details and stages. Review each stage listed in the pipeline. Document these stages for comparison with your sales process. Next, retrieve the documented sales process your team follows. Compare each stage in the HubSpot pipeline with your sales process stages. Check for alignment between the two documents. Note any discrepancies between the stages. If any stages are missing or need adjustment, plan the necessary changes. Return to the pipeline details in HubSpot. Click on the Edit option to modify the pipeline stages. Add any new stages that reflect your sales process accurately. Rearrange the stages if needed to match the flow of your sales process. Remove any stages that do not align with your sales process. After making adjustments, save the changes to your pipeline. Review the updated pipeline stages to ensure accuracy. Communicate the changes to your sales team for proper alignment. Regularly revisit your pipeline stages to ensure ongoing alignment with your sales process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.